Okay, riding my bike along the road in Clare, Michigan, and there's deer. Let's see how close we can get to them. There's two more. Right there. Right there. One more. There's no more. Four of those. There's three more over there. You can't see very well. This is awesome. Just what I was hunting. Definitely have a couple of good does. Some mighty fine does. Mighty fine. Wow. Oh, there's a little button buck. Right there. One right there by the tree. A little button buck. Other than that, the other two does. It's a pretty cool sight. Especially around Michigan. Yeah, this is awesome. Riding my bike. See? Bike. Cabin Huffy, mountain bike. It's really old. Yeah, 4 deer. This camera phone sucks. It's an iPhone 4 and there's no zoom. Which freaking sucks. And I wish I had an actual camera. This is crazy how close I am to the deer right now. Oh, there's 5. Oh wow, that's a nice button buck. Man, I wish that was my bird. My button buck. See how close we can get. Oh, there might be 2. I know. Oh, we're getting pretty freaking close. Oh, look at him looking at me. Pretty excited, huh? Yeah, that's awesome. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. I'm about 10 yards away from him right now. It's pretty freaking sweet. That buck right there is no more than 10 yards. This is crazy. He's got his tail up. I'm scared. Oh, there's 6. 7. That's awesome. 7 deer. It's pretty freaking sweet. And the last one goes all over there. That's it. Come back to you when I see more.